President Biden's student loan plan remains in limbo at least until the summer. The Supreme Court heard arguments attempting to block that plan yesterday. And conservative justices, well, they're skeptical. Here's ABC's Faith Abube.
This morning, the fate of President Biden's popular student loan forgiveness plan now squarely in the hands of the Supreme Court. For more than 3 hours Tuesday, the conservative justices casting doubt on whether President Biden has the legal authority to wipe nearly $500 billion in federal student loans with just a stroke of his pen.
I think most casual observers would say if you're going to give up that much amount of money, if you're going to affect the obligations of that many Americans on a subject that's of great controversy, they would think that's something for Congress to act on.
Critics calling the plan a scam, an unfair giveaway that would overlook some Americans like those who already paid back their loans.
And there are the indirect costs, like the fact that the president's student loan giveaway is likely to prolong our current inflation crisis.
According to the White House, 26 million people already applied for relief and 16 million were approved before the 2 legal challenges halted the program.
You go to school to get a well-paying job, but you're also digging yourself a hole of enormous debt, and it's hard to crawl out of.
Justice Amy Coney Barrett and the 3 liberal justices zeroing in on the legal standing of 6 GOP-led states suing the Biden administration, suggesting none would suffer direct harm.
Usually we don't allow one person to step into another's shoes and say, I think that that person suffered a harm, even if the harm is very great.
Protesters gathered outside the court as the conservative majority now appears poised to crush the loan forgiveness plan. And White House sources tell ABC News that they're confident they can win this case. A decision is expected by the end of June, and right now the White House insists there is no plan B if they were to lose this case. In Washington, Faith Abube, ABC News.